This salt heart USB lamp is hand carved and unique in its cut and shape. If you can see, it is designed to hold one light lamp at a time, and the finishing of heart shape is amazing. The USB port is attached with it, and just simply attach it and lit the light. It is giving a glow with the different lights to highlight the area, and these salt crystals are natural purifier. And one thing to add here, these will emit negative ions that fight against positive particles and that make you feel exhausted and congested at a time. Yeah, so it will help you.